Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important Angular pipe, that is date. Okay, so we are going to learn about the date pipe. We will see what is date pipe, why it is so important for Angular, and how we can utilize it in program in order to convert our date into short, medium and long format. Okay, although there are multiple formats where we can convert the date, and this is one of the most important project topic, because in projects you will get different scenarios where we are supposed to utilize this date pipe. Okay, so one by one we will try to cover all possible scenarios so that whenever there is a need of date conversion, you can simply use it. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released session first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic and to implement the same thing in your project. Okay, alright, so let's get started. Firstly, we will go to app.component.ts file. Here in this TS file, firstly we need to import the module, and we all know that pipe symbol comes with a module, common module. Okay, and this is the same model that we were earlier using for importing the directives, right? So just simply go in the import section, and here you can write common module, enter. Okay, so once you press enter here, it will automatically add this line into the code, that is import common module from Angular. So this is added. Now what next? Once this is added, now we all know that we are going to perform these all operations, these all date formatting on a date, right? So for that there should be some date variable with some default value, maybe the current date or something. So what we will do now, we will simply create one date variable in the class app component, and then we will use it. So just simply go here, expand this, and here you can simply write today. Okay, today, then colon, then type would be date equal new, and then we will write here date like this, not here, it should be like this. Perfect. Okay, and it should be also in, I think, capital D. Yes, so it is defined now. Okay, that means our date variable is ready, and currently it is holding the current date. Now next what we will do, we will simply print this date as it is without any formatting, and then one by one we will see all the formats. So for that, let's go to app.component.html file. Here you can see we have Angular 19 course by Sharmit. After that we will put here heading 2. In this heading we will write date pipe in Angular for short, long, short, medium and long date format. Perfect. Date pipe in Angular for short, medium and long date format. Now after this, what we are going to do, we are going to print this date as it is. So let's add one paragraph. In this paragraph we will write current date bracket without date pipe, default without date pipe. Okay, let's go like this, current date without date pipe, and here we will put double curly braces. In this double curly braces we will print the date variable, which is today, and this is case sensitive. Always make sure that write it in a same case. Let's save it. After this we will write ngserve -- open, enter. Let's wait for a few seconds, then it will show you the output, and it is coming something like this: current date without date pipe, Wednesday, July 23, 2025, 10:52:42 GMT plus 0530 Indian Standard Time. This is now ready. Now next what we will do, one by one we will apply the dates of long format, short format and medium format, and we will also try to understand its structure. So let me give you the number 1. Now we will add the second. Here we will write current date with date pipe and then hyphen default date. Okay, we are applying date pipe, but we are not applying any particular format. So in that case it will come with a default format, and let me show you how default format looks like. Let me put colon here just to separate it out, and here also we will write colon, then double curly braces, and inside this we will write today, then pipe operator. After that we will write here date. That's it. We are not setting any format here. Okay, so let's save it and refresh it. So now you will see that it is showing the date, default date as July 23, 2025. Okay, this is ready. Now we will try to understand the different formats, because we know that date pipe comes with a different formats. In this session we are only discussing about 3 formats, that is short, medium, long, but in next session there are other formats also. So for that let's add one p tag here. In this we will write current date with date pipe short date format. Then we will write here colon, double curly braces, then we will write here today hyphen date, and then we will put here colon. This is a structure. Okay, then we will write here short. Now remember one thing, in date pipe there are lots of parameters that we can pass, like here we are passing the short, medium, long, right? Similarly we have other also that we will see in the next session, but for now we are just mainly focusing on how to use a short. Okay, so you just need to write here short and then save it and refresh it. So you can see current date with date pipe short date format, which is coming like this: 7/23/25 10:54. That means this date is showing the current date, where first is month, this is 7 representing July, then 23 is day, then 25 is year. Earlier we were getting the complete 2025, but this time we are getting only 2-digit 25. Then time is 10:54 AM. Clear? So this is called short format. Now similarly we have another format, that is medium format. So let's see what is the difference between short and medium. So for that we will simply write here like this: current date with date pipe short date, not short, this time we are going to learn about medium date format. Then colon, double curly braces, then we will write here today, pipe symbol, date, colon, then we will write here medium. Okay, let's save it. So once you save it, refresh it, you will see that this time current date is coming with pipe, with date pipe medium date format, that is July JUL 23/2025 10:56:31 AM. So here what is the difference? Here we are getting the complete date with time. If you compare it with this and this, you will find that it is related to it is coming with extra time, but if you relate it with short date format, then you will find that it is coming with a complete date description, that is JUL 23/2025. Now in the next part we will discuss about the long date format. So I'll just simply write here 5 dot current date with, and why we are discussing it separately, because this is one of the most important thing that you will do in your project. There are lots of requirement where we are supposed to convert the date into the particular format as per the client requirement. So you should know about all these things, and these are just the beginning. In the next session also we are going to make the customized date format, okay, like DD, MM, YY and something like that. But for now we are just using these 3 format, that is long, short and medium. So now we will write here long, short and medium. Perfect. Save it and refresh it. So after a refresh, you will see that date is coming like July 23, where July is coming as properly full, not JUL. Okay, then 23/2025 at 10:58 AM GMT +5. Clear? So these are the all possible ways through which you can convert your date into a particular format like short, medium and long. In the next session we will discuss other examples also. So yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session with new topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.